A very warm good morning to my lovely students. Hope you all are doing well at home and enjoying online classes. Babies, as you know that we are doing chapter 13 of English grammar, that is degrees of comparison. And yesterday we learnt about different types of degrees of comparison and how to make comparative degree and superlative degree from the positive one. So students, today we'll continue with the same chapter, and here we have question 2, which says fill in the blanks with suitable degrees of the given adjectives. It means adjectives are given in brackets. You have to fill these blanks with suitable degree of adjective. Okay, so let's start with number 1. Number 1 says Meena is dash than me. So this then shows that comparison is going on. So we have to write her comparative degree. So what is comparative degree of old? That is older. Now next, number 2, Aditya is the dash brother of Samrat. Now you can say the is written here. As I told you, the is used before superlative degree. Now, and yesterday I told you for the members of same family we use elder or eldest. So here we are going to use either elder or eldest, and this the shows that here should be superlative degree. So here should be eldest. Now number 3, lead is a metal. So it is just heavy metal. Now number 4, lead is the, so superlative degree, and that is heaviest. Next, number 5, this answer is very just good. So next, that is number 6, that employee is dash than his colleague. So comparison is there, so it should be more hardworking. Now number 7, her bag is dash than mine. So again comparison, so more expensive than mine. Now next, that is number 8, and that is she gave dash performance in the play. So what? She gave an amazing performance in the play. Now students, there are more parts which you have to do yourself. Now let's move to next question, and next question is on the basis of similes. Now what are similes? So similes, first thing, as we use adjectives for comparing things or people, in the same way when we compare two things or two people, then if we are using like or as, so such thing is called similes. For example, if I'm saying you are sweet as a honeybee, or I'm saying you roar like a lion. So we know that lion roars very loudly, and honeybee, or you can say honey, is very sweet. So in that way we are going to do this. Some examples are given here. Have a look. See, as big as an elephant. As you know that elephant is so big in size, so we say as big as an elephant. As blind as a bat. As clear as crystal, as we know that crystal is so clear. Then as cunning as fox. As delicate as a flower. As fresh as a daisy. Daisy is considered as fresh flower. Then as easy as ABC. We know that ABC are very easy. Then as white as milk. So we know that milk is white in color. Next, as alike as two peas in a pot. Then as black as coal. As brave as lion. As busy as a bee. As cold as ice. As cool as cucumber. As cute as a baby, and as gentle as a lamb. Now, with the help of these examples, we have to solve next question. So let's move to next question. That is question 3, which says complete these similes. Number 1, as easy as ABC. As dash as milk, so milk is white, so as white as milk. As cold as, which is cold, that is ice. As dash as lamb, now lamb is considered as very gentle, so as gentle as lamb. Number 5, as brave as a, so which animal is considered as brave, that is lion. Next, number 6, as dash as honey, so honey is considered as sweet. As fresh as, I told you which flower is considered as fresh, that is daisy. Next, as alike as two peas in a pot. Next, number 9, as dash as a bee, so as busy as a bee. And the last one is number 10, as cunning as a fox. Now, without wasting time, let's move to next question. That is question 4. And this is error finding. Means sentences are given. You have to find out that what is wrong in that or what is error. So, let's do with number 1. She turned as redder as a beetroot. Students, you should know that when we use similes, so after as there should always be positive form of comparison. So it should be red in place of redder. So what is wrong in that? Redder. Number 2, Anjana is pretty, but Shruti is prettiest than her. Now see, comparison is going on. So what should be here? Here should be prettier. So prettiest is wrong. Number 3, cycling on the highway is most dangerous than traveling by car. Now see, this then is showing that we are comparing. So for comparison we use comparative degree, but most is not comparative. So this is error here. Now next, I am tall than her. Again this then shows that comparison is going on. So it should be taller. So what is wrong? Tall. Now next, number 5, the teacher told me that my painting was very best. Now see, this is showing that superlative degree has been used, but you must know that before superlative degree there should be the. So very is wrong here. Next, number 6, China is the more populated country in the world. This word the shows that it should be superlative. So more is wrong. Here should be most. Number 7, July is the hotter month of the year. Again this the shows that it should be superlative. So in place of hotter it should be hottest. So what is error here? Hotter. Next is number 8, he has much money than brains. So then shows that's comparative. So it should be more. So much is error here. Next is number 9, Ravi is my oldest brother. Students, if you have remembered in last class, I told you that for members of the same family we use eldest or elder. So it should be eldest. So what is error here? Oldest. Now the number 10 is, this is the eldest temple in the city. And in last class I also told you that for things we use older or oldest. So in place of eldest it should be oldest. So what is error here? Eldest is error here. Now we are moving to the last question of today's session, that is question 5, and which says fill in the blanks with correct options. Means 2 options are given in each part. You have to choose the correct one. So number 1, there was a dash milk in the jug. Now see, we cannot count milk, so little should be used here. Students, you must know that little is used for uncountable things and few is used for countables. So it should be little. Now next, I have so much work to finish. Only a few questions are unsolved. You have shown much confidence. Physical punishment does not more harm than good. I have two elder sisters. Snehit is taller than Aman. He has some sincere friends. Can you give me a few coins? Can you give me a little time? There is so much. And the last one, there are so many participants for the quiz. So with that, we are done with today's session. So babies, that's all for today. You have to write this work in your book. Now, see you on Tuesday. As Monday there will be Janmashtami and the session will be suspended. So see you on Tuesday. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye. Bye bye.